To send Bitcoin from Cash App, follow these steps. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to Bitcoin. Look for the Bitcoin icon or option within the app's interface. It's usually located on the home screen or in the navigation menu. Select Withdraw Bitcoin. Tap on the Withdraw Bitcoin or Send Bitcoin option. Enter recipient address. Input the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan their QR code using your device's camera. Specify amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Make sure to double check the amount and currency conversion if applicable. Review and confirm. Review the transaction details, including the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin to be sent. Confirm that everything is correct. Authorize transaction. Follow the prompts to authorize a transaction using your Cash App PIN, Touch ID or Face ID. Wait for confirmation. Once the transaction is submitted, wait for it to be confirmed on the Bitcoin network. This typically takes a few minutes but can vary depending on network congestion. Transaction complete. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be sent from your Cash App wallet to the recipient's Bitcoin address.